Real-time booleans. Real-time booleans are strongest weapon of LWCAD tools. We can do all type of boolean operations with every primitive tool. With curve primitive tools, we can do curve booleans and polygon slicing, and with polygon primitives, we can do regular 3D booleans and also polygon drilling and slicing. First, I'll show you the curve booleans. So when we apply any primitive tool, curve primitive tool, we can switch between add, subtract, and cut mode. We can use a numeric panel, or we can switch between modes also with using these fast OpenGL buttons. So with add mode, we are just adding current primitive into existing object in a scene. With subtract mode, we are subtracting, and with cut mode, we're just making a cut with current tool on existing curves in a scene. When curve primitive tools are used on already existing polygonal object, then we can switch polygon slicing with this fast OpenGL button. So when polygon slicing is enabled, we are directly slicing polygons with curve tools. For polygonal primitives, booleans works differently when tool is in 2D mode or in 3D mode. Initially, each tool is in 2D mode, so now when booleans are off, we have just a rectangle tool, a polygonal rectangle. With add mode, we are slicing existing object. With subtract mode, we are drilling existing object, and intersect is intersecting. Once we define the depth of the object, now boolean operation will be regular 3D booleans. So add will be regular add boolean, subtract boolean, and intersect boolean. If we want to switch back to 2D mode, let's say for this subtract mode back into drilling mode, very handy is this new 2D button, which will switch back to 2D mode, and we can drill object.